What's up guys, Incoherent Toast here, and today we'll be looking at the best ways to clear large quantities of water. This pit here took me around an hour and a half-ish to do, and it goes for about 100 blocks, so yeah, it's quite significant. And here is the thing responsible for it. Ta-da! It's a flying machine. Well, a water plow is what I call it, despite the fact that I basically just used existing designs, then threw it in the water. Now, I'm sure you guys want to see this thing running in action, so, I'll get it running while I talk. Now, first off, this idea isn't original. I've seen people clearing water with flying machines before, but I haven't seen any, easy designs. Like, they're either too massive or hard to turn around. This is nice, because it can turn both ways, and although there is one problem that it is a little bit tricky for turning it around because you've got to follow specific steps, otherwise you'll push it into the wall. But yeah, I'll explain how to do that next before I show you how to make it. So yeah, let's go do that. So yeah, the first thing you want to do once it gets to the end is to take away the redstone blocks on both sides, because you don't really want it messing up the thing while you're trying to do it. And then you want to fill in the water. Alright, now we're gonna go put the slime block back that you accidentally broke, which was rather silly of you, and then we're going to go and push the machine down one level, like this. See, we just grab the redstone block and place it down, and whoop, then put the piston down and it'll push it down, like that. And then we do the same thing on the other side. And you don't put the slime block there, obviously. There we go, push it down, nice and easy. Move those, obviously, and now we've got to get rid of the water again. So yeah, let's fast forward through that part. Now you've got to pay attention. You place down 2 blocks here so that it doesn't get pushed into the wall, and then you place down a block and a redstone block here and activate the piston there, right there. And now you can remove those blocks, place down a redstone block and activate the end piston, and you're ready to go. There we go, nice and simple. It's sailing off, and then you basically just repeat the same thing on the other side, because it's a symmetrical thing, so you can do this thing. You don't have to change the instructions or anything. You can just do it the same way you did it here. And yeah, that's just about it. Alright, so on with the tutorial. First thing you want to do is regular piston on the left side and sticky piston on the right side. And then you turn around to the other side, do the same thing, sticky on the right side, regular on the left, and then you put a regular underneath that lily pad there, like that. There we go. You don't have to use the lily pads, by the way. I was just using that for convenience sake. And then another regular piston right there. And now what you want to do is count 7 blocks out, with 7 slime blocks out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then a block of quartz, or not a block of quartz, any block of your choice. I just chose quartz because I did. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then there we go. Having a little trouble clicking on it. Now you just want to start it. So redstone there, block there, 2 blocks on the back, and then you start that piston there. There we go. Remove those, put your redstone block there, and start the back engine. And what you'll notice is that it'll stop, which is actually quite a useful feature, because it means if you've forgotten to clear out the water, it'll randomly stop. And I think it has to do with the water updating the pistons at the back or something and causing it to stop. But either way, it's great. It's helpful. Anyway, so that's the end of my video. Thank you all for watching, and have a good one.